2, 3!
Ibang tao. Dapat ibang tao yung maglalaglag.
Ang sakit naman ng chanelas mo, may lego.
Ayan na. 10 na.
10!
Oh.
January, oh my gosh.
Uy, yung chanelas mo, may lego. Ano ba yan? Ang sakit.
Ready, guys?
Ready, ah?
Countdown! 1, 2... Teka lang, may electric fan. Baka lipanin yung papel eh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Inibigyan niya. Ready? Count of 5.
Wait, not this shirt! This shirt is...
Mahal, mahal yung shirt.
Mahal.
Wait, mga butasin mo!
Sa gigil baka
Mabubutas lang yan pag magulo ka.
Wait. Paano siya gagalaw?
Game.
Game.
Mali yung hawak ni Miss B.
Kaya
Bakit?
nga.
Hindi dapat dyan.
Yan nga, hindi
Sa
nga.
waist.
Dapat dito.
Yan.
Ayan.
Baka mamaya may masundot pa. Puta.
Ay, wait!
Baka may masundot pa tayo. Ganyan.
Dito ako.
Yan, yan,
Baka
yan.
may makasundot. Baka makasundot ka pati.
Oo nga.
Usog dito, usog.
Ito. Tapos dito. Wait kasi, wait.
Yan, yan.
Wait! Sige nga, ito-talk kita.
Kahiro.
Yan.
Bakit?
Ayan na.
Bakit meron dito?
Because! Yan!
Yan, tama. Yan.
Pwede
Yan.
Teka lang. Ayaw nila kumain. Guys, let's do this. We promised them.
That's right. They're gonna get mad at you. You want them to get mad at you? You can't let them get mad. Don't make them mad. You don't want to make them mad.
Remember, Paldo night.
Oh, hands on likod.
Ayun.
Yan.
Hawak sa likod.
Sige natin, baka mamaya makasundot ka pa. Teka lang. Diba, guys? Marang natin. Game.
Ready?
Wait lang, ito tali ko.
Yan. Game.
You swing and then catch.
Go.
You swing and then catch.
Ano to? Basagan ng ito.
That's how you know that he's gonna be tame. You swing and then catch.
Parang party game ng bata.
Game. Game.
Can you imagine? Boom, bonk.
Siyempre, pag nakaganyan ka, mamaya diba?
Ano yan?
Baka may sundot-sundot dyan, kaya ganyan dapat, o espada. Merong harang. Baharang!
Ayan. Wala ka na sa camera. Ready? Tatlo lang to. 1.
Ano ba? Dali.
Mag-mouthwash muna daw siya.
Dito na lang.
Okay.
Sabi niya, ganon. Oh,
Yan
sige.
na, dali. Ganon.
This is mine. One, two, three.
Ba yan, Chris?
It's safe na.
Buti na lang dito oras na wala nang 10 years old dyan.
Oh my God, di ko makuha.
Oh my God, we jumped to 10K.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. They came to see the swing and catch.
Ano talaga? Gumising sila.
Diba, boys? That's how you do it, boys. All right?
Swing.
You swing and catch.
Ay. Ganun pala yun.
Ay, ikaw na lang, hindi ko kita.
Yung iba hindi na-gets. If you know, you know.
Go!
Alright. You asked, we do it.
So, 1.
Ganun pala.
Okay. 1.
First ka muna. Ganun ka, swing.
1, catch. Oh, he's safe na.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sama.
Okay.
Wala pa nga ako eh. Ang bilis naman ng papel.
Ano ba yung... Sige, ako din.
Dapat siguro mas mabigat.
Bentaos naman yun.
Baba mo pa
1,
onti. Tapos dahan-dahan yung pag...
1,
Baka mabasag yung mukha ko.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa.
Tatlo yun, di ba? That's the
Guys,
three. That's three.
Saba.
Tatlong try.
2.
Kamay sa likod.
Kamay sa likod. Kamay sa likod. Ready?
Tago. Tago.
1, 2, 1,
Ang layo
Yung
eh.
papel.
1.
Yung uso ko yung inaabangan mo eh.
Huli.
Huli.
Oo. Amsim.
Yung papel yung aabangan.
And that's how you do it.
Yung papel, hindi uso.
Oh, medyo paglapit dito.
Yung papel na dito pero doon dito na. Nahalata ba ako?
Nahalata. Game 1, 2, 3. Ubus yung ano natin. Yung turns natin. Guys, this is the last, ano.
No.
Hindi counted
That
yun.
didn't count. I didn't even tuka.
Yeah, okay.
I didn't get to tuka.
Second attempt. 1, 2,
That's not-
Magantay ka!
Come closer. Right there, see? Right there. And then I'll come right here.
Okay. Steady. Catch the paper, 1, 2, 3. Hey!
Sorry.
She's touching.
Hinalang mo
She's
eh.
touching the paper. She's
Oh.
touching the paper. Because you said touch the paper, so she
Okay.
yeah.
Sorry. Okay, second pa lang to.
Oh my
Okay.
God, 11.
Ang liit naman ang papel kasi.
Naila yun. 10 na nga eh.
10 eh.
1, 2, 3, go. Kuha, be! Guys! Na-shoot!
There's one more paper.
Last.
One more.
1 pa. Sino may gusto ng...
Ay, guys!
Good night,
Si
guys!
Jello at saka si ano naman, Francis.
Good night,
May
guys!
ginagawa yun ng mga lalaki.
Palgo si Mr. B. One more daw. Good night, guys. Thank
Kayo
you for
naman
staying with
dalawa.
us. Thank you for the
Dalawa.
9 lions.
Thank you guys. Thank you po.
Kayo naman dalawa, babe.
Meron pa isa.
Isa pa. May
They
isa pa.
they gave an extra lion.
Tulog doon na nakangiti. O ano, kayo lang hingiti na. Diyos ko, kung gusto nyo ibagsak ko pa to, alam niyo na gagawin nyo? Sabihin ko ba? Charing na. May isa pa ng turn talaga.
Isa pa.
May isa pang turn.
May last pa.
May isa pang turn?
Yeah.
Oh, ganun
Okay,
lang yon.
okay na.
Isa pa?
One more.
Check ko muna.
And we're going into the lightning round, so that means every lion, there's 3 more papers.
Hoy!
Just kidding.
Dami na daw puyat.
Okay, last.
Close up ko na to. Kuha kanina eh.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ayan.
Salap tulog niya.
OMG daw. Ang galing ni Mr. B. Paldo.
Paldo night!
Okay guys, good night. Thank you.
January, thank you. Guys, good night. Good night, everybody!
3 more. 3 more papers.
Ay, uy, tama na!
Nawili.
Asa yung notebook?
Tama na!
Ano yan, isusulat? Utang.
Additional yun. Half dapat.
Uy, tama na, Chris. Tama na.
Oh, 3 more pa. Magagalit sila.
Wag pa na kayo. Tama na yun.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back. Galing sa'yo eh. I want you back.
Kanto ka din siya, di ba?
Neighbors think I'm crazy, but they don't understand. You're all I have. You're all I have. At night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon. Trying to get to you. In arms on the other side, talking to me too, or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? Ganun tama, di ba? Oh, yeah. I'm feeling like I'm famous, talk of the town. They say I've gone mad. Now I've gone mad.
Okay.
But they don't know what I know. 'Cause when the sun goes down, someone's talking back. Yeah, they're talking back. At night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you. In arms you on the other side, talking to me too, or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to the moon? Do you ever hear me calling? Cause every time I'm talking to the moon, trying to get to you. In ocean on the other side, talking to me too, or am I a fool who sits alone, talking to me? Oh my God! I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away.
Thank you, January.
January, grabe ka.
Yun, no? Gusto ko nagsusunod na.
For just a chance to win your heart, you can set the bar beyond the
Sino ka
stars.
pala?
I'll do anything you ask me to. Say you want to know, watch me learn to fly.
Mas bagay ikaw kumanta.
I risk it all for you.
January lang malakas daw.
To hold your hand and call you mine. Trying to be your man till the end of time. Oh, I'll do anything you ask me to.
Grabe si January.
Let's do it.
Wow, thank you. Thank you so much. Grabe. Ano guys? Hindi siya makita. Pasensya po.
No, this one.
What's that? What is that?
This is the one.
Asan na yung isang mic? Chris. Ay.
I leave my heart at the door. I won't say a word. Hey, Mom, you said before you know why me. Just play pretend like when I scared I was coming.
Paper game na daw. Ang anim na daw na leon.
Bakit pa? Little more pa.
Huwag na, tama na.
There's no tomorrow. All I am. If this is my last night with you, hold me like more than just a friend. Give me a memory I can't lose. Take me by the hand, what we do, what lovers do, and that is how it ends. But what if I never love again?
7 na daw yung layon.
Dalawa na lang.
Uy, tama na. Nakakayan.
7 na layo.
I believe your honesty. There's already in your eyes. Your eyes, they speak for me. No one knows me like you do. Only one that matters. Tell me who to turn around, run to the door. Get me wrong, I know there is no tomorrow. All I ask is if this is my last night with you. Hold me like I'm more than just a friend. This is my last night of meeting you. Hold me like you're more than just a friend. Give me a real I can use.
Wala, naiyan na ako.
Take me by
Oo, kasi buya na tayo nito.
what we do.
Sinabi kasi natin.
No matter how the
Akala ko imposible talaga yung night. Kala ko yung oo.
What if I never love again?
Grabe.
One lion to go.
Isa na lang.
Sana lang. Handa na.
Susuka na ako. Hilo.
One na lang.
Jello kasi lang.
Kaya nga eh.
Ano yan? Wala. Hindi ako makakanta. Nahihilo ako na suka.
Ah.
Guys, ba't gano'n nahihilo ako na susuka ako?
Ay! Sintomas yan ng daring. Nahihilo, nasusok, ha?
Ay?
Ha?
Ay?
Beba,
Pare-
patapon yung tsaa dyan, ha? Guys,
Karaoke's.
January, ano ba to? Nahihilo ako. Nasusuka ako. Love na love. Yes. Ay, Je, oh.
Ano?
Frank at
May
you.
mahamon.
Parang nasusuka ako, di ko kaya kumanta.
Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power. Yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that the physical things define what's within. I've been there before. That life's so full of the superficial. But some people want it all. I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby, some people want diamond rings, but some just want everything. Everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Some people search for the fountain. Promises forever young. Some people need roses. That's the only way you prove you're loving. Take me the world.
Nagtanggal ng pilikmata. Sorry, guys. Cluster.
No one to share, no one who truly
We kiss.
for me. Some people want it all. I want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, but some just want everything.
Everything means nothing. I ain't got you. sa tapings. Ay, hindi. Siguro nakauwi na sila. Taping sila today eh.
Some people want diamond rings. Some people want
Ay, January, thank you so much. Grabe ka talaga.
you.
Guys, baka mapagod na si ano, please.
I got you with me, baby. Oh, I world
Wala akong taping today.
I got you with me, baby.
Medyo,
Sakit ng tiyan ko.
Actually, ako din.
Sakit.
Yung chicken ba?
Sa kinain, guys.
Biglang...
Hot water! Pwede makailing hot water, be? Pero, yung pwede namang mainom.
alam ko.
Yung pwedeng mainom na hot water.
Ay, muli isa sa mga. Oo.
Hala, 9 na layo na daw. Diyos ko.
9 ba or 8?
Oo.
9 na daw. Pumayat ka, Christy, na may mukha mo.
I heard you say,
Baka na-acid ako, no?
I heard you answer, and so I came to see it, to listen for a while.
Wala akong buskupan eh.
And then you were this
Sobrang init. Painom din.
a stranger into my eyes.
Sabi mo,
With his fingers, singing my life with his words.
Kaya nga tulog na si Katie. Gusto ko sana makita pang gising.
Kill me softly with this song, telling my
Sa chicken oil, no? Dami ko kasi pinuhos mo yung chicken oil.
Ano yun? Sa tuhod mo?
Pinikmata.
Medyo mainit na ako. Dati. Mainit pa?
Hindi.
I felt the
Okay na rin.
flash with fever, and there is my
Water pa konti.
crown.
Okay na ga. Thank you, ga.
I felt he found
Guys, pag umakit ako, hindi na ako bababa.
I pray that he would finish.
Ano na ba ako umakyat, guys?
He just kept right on.
Tulog ko.
With his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing softly with his song,
Tama na, Chris.
softly
Hoy,
with his song.
pahinga ka na. Ang ginagawa niya. Uy, nakita na tayo si Katie. Hindi ko na nakita. Ay! Tara na.
Tara na.
Si Katie, ako. Akitin ko na si Katie. Lo, tingnan mo yung mukha mo. Yes. Alright, thank you so much, everybody. Bigyan,
Lion na!
baka magalit si auntie mo. Auntie mom tuloy si Jen.
Lion na!
Nag-9 ba?
Na?
Ewan ko sabi nila,
Hindi
Bin.
na. Hindi pwede yan.
Paano ba natin ma-check?
Hindi pwede yan. 9 na. Gawin na.
Halika na, tara na.
Game na
matapos
yan.
na. Tok na ako, Ben.
Ano yun,
Para makapagpa.
Ang daming
Tayo
sumayaw.
Pagkaya na tayo ng aircon. Okay. If you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
Hug na daw. Good night.
Good night, Mr. B.
Ayan na.
Good night, Mr. B!
Paldo!
Good night, January!
Paldo!
Good night, everybody!
Ang galing, nasalo yung muso.
Good night, guys! Good night, Jay! Night, sis!
Good night.
Good night!
Good night!
Good night, everybody. January.
Diyos ko.
Thank you.
January, thank you.
No,
January.
no, no, really. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you talaga, January. Sana may tip din yung nagbato ng papel. January, baka naman, oh, yung naglaglag ng papel, oh. Ginalingan ko din. Saka yung nagka-camera. Yung may-ari ng papel. Oo.
Oy, good night na, guys. Bahala na kayo. How? Ay, thumbnail tayo! Picture. Sana. Okay.
Tapos may papel? Or wala na?
Yun yung may pagkasan ba? Ito lang. Yan.
Or sila lang yung may hawak?
Picture?
Dali, ikaw.
Yan.
Ay, ganun na.
Ah, malapit na.
Wait, that was on from the floor, huh?
Paano?
Ito na lang bago.
Ito kasi si Jeff, pinurod yung sa floor eh.
Maganda ba yung shot ganyan? Pampam ninyo po. Okay. Tapos taas ninyo yung
Ah.
Hindi, dito.
Tapos,
Kabila.
Ah, ikaw na.
Kabila.
Baba mo konti, tapos medyo magkadigling.
O ano ba? Parang gigil naman. Picture na lang.
Picture nga. Saka ang tingin pa. Tingin pa. Kuya dito. Focus mo. Alright. Video po yan.
Ay, puno na tayo. Ginago kami.
Kukuha na lang sila ng capture doon.
Walang hiya.
Ay, nandyan pa pala sila. Kala mo.
Oh my gosh.
Andyan pa pala kayo.
Pinagtripan ako. Thumbnail daw. Video pala.
Nagkukuha na lang sila doon. Tama. Oh, screenshot.
Dito tayo, dali.
Good
Jet.
night.
Sama ka, dali, Mara.
Saya.
Thank you so much, everybody.
Take home.
Akit na kay Katie. Yes, akit na, guys.
Thank you,
Ate,
guys.
na tayo.
Good night, everybody.
Thank you
Night.
so much.
We hope you guys enjoyed.
Wait.
Good night. Say good night, everybody.
Good night.
We love you.
We love you.
Say good night.
Yung dance mo talaga eh.
Good night.
Good night.